Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a product review on these CRESOND Bluetooth earphones from CRESOND, and I would like to thank them for sending this out for a review. And well, I'm real anxious to start playing with these and see what they are about. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay folks, here they are. Got my hands on these, so I'm just going to, basically this is how it's going to come to you, like this. And it's a nice box, I can tell you that. And I'm checking out everything on here. Oh, it's waterproof, that's what it says on here. It says it's waterproof, okay. And it's got a long battery life, looks like. Supposed to fit pretty good in your ears. Okay. Oh, it's got 4 hours of real talk time and okay. You know what? I really want to get in this box. So let me get in here. Let's see what these are all about. So if you've been watching this channel and everything, you already know I'm pretty particular about how I open boxes and everything. So I'm telling you right now, the box is covered with plastic, so I've got to get through the plastic first without messing the box up. That's just me, I'm telling you. Alright, here we go. Got my little Phillips screwdriver right here. Open it up. Alright, here we go. Alright, there goes the plastic that doesn't want to let me go. Stay there. Alright, so that's the box right here, folks. Oh man, the packaging is impressive. Okay. This is cool. Alright, let's open it up. I'm just real anxious to get here. Oh, so should I push this way? Should I push that way? It's holding it back. I'm doing something wrong here. Hold on, let me look around. Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. Oh, this box opens in a very unique way. Check this out. That's what I was doing wrong. Okay. Okay, so that's what's in the inside. Let's get this out. A little plastic shell here. Okay, this is the battery case that comes with it. Take all this plastic off here. Okay, so far so good. This is just, I mean, I like the way they packaged it and everything. This is nice. Alright, this is the battery case. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, I see something in front here. Let me open that up. Okay. So I'm seeing two different things here. I see the regular USB plug that be on your computer and everything. I see that. And then I see this, which I believe is the micro USB right here. Like I said, I gotta read the manual, but that's what I'm seeing right here so far. We're gonna find out what that's all about soon. Alright. I'm gonna open the case up and see what's on the inside. Oh! What do you know? Okay, so that was the battery case. This letting us know that, I only see like, let me see, I see 1, 2, 3 dots there. So I guess that's his way of letting you know it's fully charged up. Like I said, I got to read the manual more about it and everything. So definitely this is where the earphones go in, of course. Alright. So at least you can keep these charged while you're on the go. Well, that's cool. Alright. Let's see the earbuds themselves. That's what I'm curious about. So let's get them out of the box thing here. Alright. Impressive. Okay. Alright. Okay. And I'm just touching the buttons on the side here. I can tell you right now, these buttons are not the hard buttons that you find on some of the earphones and everything. These are like the soft buttons, like, you know, cushion, but you know, like they feel like cushion on inside here. So that's interesting. And I can definitely tell you, yes, they definitely look like they definitely are waterproof. It's all sealed all around. That's cool. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put these to the side. Let's go and find out what's inside the box here. Take all this out. Okay. So we got some extra ear pads for the earphones. So you got some extra ones here. Okay, that's cool. Alright, I'm gonna put that to the side. I believe this is the charging cord for the case. I believe that's what this is. So that's cool. Alright, I'll put that to the side. Oh, it even passed quality inspection. Check that out. Oh, they ain't playing. Okay, I'm gonna put this around. CRESOND, of course. That's their little calling card here. Guarantee card. Alright. Oh my, wait a minute, hold up. What's I'm just gonna get it out the box. I'm seeing all this stuff here. Okay. This is the user's manual. I'm definitely gonna be reading thoroughly. It's very extensive, and it looks like it's in several languages. Looks like. I'm definitely gonna read this extensively, you know, thoroughly, so I can find out more features about these earbuds. So I'm gonna put this on the side here. And this is what kind of threw me off when I started digging in there. This right here. It's a little case for it, looks like. Oh my. And you know, it's not a, I mean, it's one of those cases where you can open it up like this and it closes like that. Open it up and, oh wow, this is like, you can just open it up, squeeze it, put your earbuds in there, let it close up on itself, and it'll stay closed, looks like. Yep. This is neat. Like this. Okay. Wow. Of course, you already know the box is impressive all by itself. So you know what, folks? What I'm going to do is I'm basically going to go ahead, read through this manual, and find out more about these earbuds. So stay tuned. Okay, folks. Well, after doing some extensive reading through this manual, which by the way is in multiple languages, I found out a few things about this particular battery case and the earphones themselves. But let's get to the battery case first. Alright, remember I showed you earlier about this flap right here and opening this up, and it's got like two ports here, two USB ports, different ports. Alright, well, it's better for me to show you than tell you, really. Okay, well, as I was reading the manual, it pretty much told me about when you use this cord. You can use this cord for two different purposes. The first purpose is you'll plug this into here, and you'll plug it into a 5-volt adapter, right, to charge it up, to charge up the case itself. So that's one. Now, you can use this cord or some other cord and plug it up into here, like so. And this is the interesting part right here. Now, you're able to charge up your cell phone. Yes, you can charge up your smartphone with this battery case. I found that very interesting. I was like, wow. That's cool. Of course, you can always check the the status of the battery by opening the case up and looking at the 3 LED lights. Basically, 1 means 1/3, 2/3, 3/3 charged, you know. So, oh, keep in mind also, according to the manual, is that if you want this to charge up your cell phone, your smartphone, make sure that the case itself has 3 lights before you attempt to do that. Otherwise, it won't, you know, charge up your phone. So, keep that in mind. So, that's cool. I found that very interesting. Alright, I'm going to take this out. Alright, put this back in here. Now, the next thing we're going to do is basically get these earphones up and running. So, I'm just going to go ahead and open the case up again and put our earphones in. So, that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Alright, this guy go in here. Yeah, that goes in there. And as you see, he's making a connection with the case itself. And look at that. Both of these earphones are letting you know that they're connected to the charging case. You see that white light there. Now, according to the manual, as soon as I take these out, they'll come on. But all you also got to know that since they're not paired to anything yet, that's what I'm going to do next. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Come and think about it. So while they're sitting in there, let's go ahead and get our cell phone here, our smartphone, and get it up and running. Alright, I'm gonna find my Bluetooth connection here. Alright, now before I do that though, I want to take the earphones out first before I attempt to look for our Bluetooth connection. So you gotta take them out the case, and they're supposed to come on right away. As you notice, see? They automatically pair to each other. As you can see. So now we're going to be looking for them. So let's go ahead and go into our Bluetooth settings on our cell phone and look for it. Ooh, check that out. That's what we was looking for right there. So, see? And of course the earphones are waiting for it, waiting to be connected. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this. And it's connected. See? Yep. So let's look at the other earbuds. Yep. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is play with them. Alright, so what should I do? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get on TikTok. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. Get on my TikTok channel here. Play around here. Alright. I'm going to play with the sound on these. Now, check my volume here. Okay, let me pick one video out of here to see if we can hear it. Alright. Of course, it's got a limiter on here. You can. Oh. Oh. Hope y'all can hear that. That's one of my recent TikToks I did. Of course, I did a lot more since my last video, so feel free to check out my TikTok and see what it's all about. That's cool. Alright, let's go to another video. See? I'm gonna bring both of them up here. I mean, both of them are playing. See? Check out the sound quality of that thing. So what I'm going to do...
Hey, what you up to? Just trying to print.
That's cool. I mean, it's cool, it's cool. So it definitely works. It definitely works. So, I believe the next thing we're going to do is take these out in the street and see how they perform. So, stay tuned. Alright folks, I'm just basically coming home from my day job, and as I'm gonna let you see this, if you can, let me get some light in here. It's kind of foggy out here too. I hope you can see that. I got the earphones in my ear and everything, and basically I'm just trying them out in the street like I said earlier, and they work pretty good. I made a couple of phone calls with my wife and everything, and it sounded really clear. She liked them. She liked how clear, you know, the earphones sound and everything. Played some music on it, and on top of that, I even was able to use Google Voice with this thing, and was able to give voice commands clearly. It clearly heard me, every word. I told her to call my wife. It called my wife. I mean, just like that. No fuss, no muss. But it definitely works. Which means that if you get this for your iPhone and everything, it should work pretty well with Siri too. That's pretty much it. It's like foggy out here. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, I really like these headphones. I mean, these headphones are really nice. They're comfortable. You know, I'm barely noticing that they're in my head and everything. I mean, it's really cool. You hear the birds out here too. You hear that? Anyway, so what I'm going to do, since I like these so much, I'm going to provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video. So you better get one too. Or get it for your friend and everything. And oh, hello. I had to say hello to the cat. The cat was looking at me. But anyway, so like I said, I'll provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video, and you better get this and enjoy them. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.